Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today, an amazing and easy cake for you guys because goodbye peaches, hello apples. So we're going to make a German apple cake that couldn't be easier with simple ingredients, nothing fussy or anything like that, and yet it looks like $1 million and tastes like $10 billion because it's delicious. The right proportion between sweet and tart and a little bit acidic but very round and delicious. And let me stop talking and let me show you how I put it together. Well, first we're going to start by peeling, coring and slicing some apples. We're going to slice them into thin half-moon slices. We're going to put it in a bowl with water and 2 tablespoons of either lemon or vinegar. And now we're going to make the batter. In another bowl, we're going to add plant-based milk of any kind, some applesauce, apple cider vinegar, some neutral taste vegetable oil, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything to combine. Then add the all-purpose flour little by little. And then some baking powder and baking soda. Now you mix gently, do not overmix the batter, otherwise the cake won't rise. Now in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix to combine and reserve. Now the sugar that you're using here, it can be any type of sugar, okay? Any type of sugar. So just pick the one you like the most. I use the white sugar, refined sugar, because that's what I had, amazingly enough. But if you want to use brown sugar, I like it, and I like it more because it'll give more color to the cake. And although the sugar, not although, sorry, the brown sugar is not only sweet, but it has some complexity to the taste. It tastes better. So if you want to do that, you can. And as for the flour, you can also use a gluten-free mix of flours, which I'm going to link down below. Okay, super simple to make, or spelt flour. Those 3 I know I have tested and work very well. All right. Now we're going to grease an 8-inch diameter spring mold. Put a parchment paper in the bottom and grease it, sides as well. And you add the batter. Now you distribute the apple slices on top of the cake like so. And sprinkle with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. And now we're going to put it in the oven, preheated oven. Always preheat your oven when you're making, especially when you're making cakes, breads, okay? Because otherwise it's going to, you're risking your baking good to be a disaster, okay? So always preheat it. I always do it, and I know electricity nowadays, but so that's how it is. So I always leave at least 15 minutes preheating. All right, so in this case 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to bake it for 35 to 30 minutes. And this is one of the best cakes and so simple to make. Instead of apples, you can definitely use pears. Just do the same, peel them, core them, and cut the same way. the neighbor's dog decided that he's going to be vocal today. He wants to talk, so let him talk, all right? So as long as you hear me, and I know you can, all right? So this is amazing. And although I have shown you in the video to have that with a ice cream, it's delicious. You know with what? With sour cream. It is amazing. It's perfect. And you know why it is so perfect? Because it doesn't raise so much. So you have a thin, relatively thin layer of cake, and then a lot of that beautiful cinnamon caramelized apple on the top. And this is perfectly balanced. I love it. I think you should make it, and if you make it, let me know in the comments below, okay? And take pictures and show me on Facebook and Instagram. I love when you do that. Tag me if you make that, okay? The recipe is going to be on my website as always, over here, and also in the description box under the video, okay? Because I love you. And like this video, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I don't know why not. It's free. Come on, do it. Hit that bell button as well, okay? Enjoy it. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.